tiny wave from the corner of the park bench. You laugh first, then I follow with my awkward hand. Just two kids sharing secrets in a paper cup. Every look saying more than we had planned. This little juvenile gesture leading our hearts, leading us on. Such a small thing, but it feels so strong. Happy and gentle, says you're my friend. Sidewalk crowd rushing past like a shaking stream. Shopping bags, phone calls, worried faces, heavy plans. We just walk, kicking pebbles, talking dreams. Every step like a quiet I understand. This little juvenile gesture leading our hearts, leading us on. Such a small my friend. People pass by, then they're gone. Faces fade into the haze, but you